In this tutorial, we will see that how you can stop background apps running on Android in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, from your home screen, open phone settings. If you scroll it down, you will see an option about device. Open it, scroll it down and open version. Here you will get this option of build number. You need to tap on that build number option 7 times. It will help you to enable developer mode. After last step, it will show you this notification. You are in developer mode. Click back and then click on that search and search for developer. It will show you this developer option. Open it. If you can turn it on from here, then you will see here running services. Open it and here you will get all the apps that are running in the background. You can stop it if you want. Like if I want to stop this Google to running in background, I will open it and simply tap on stop and it will be stopped. That's the method to stop one by one. But if you want to stop them in one click, click back and scroll it down and find apps section. Here it is. Here you will get option background process limit. You can open it and simply change your background process limit as you want to stop background apps running on Android. So that's how you can stop background apps running on Android in just few steps.